This is the brother Kadash. This is going to be a quick one. This is just more on that explosion that happened over there in Beirut. As you see on the screen right now, you know, things are starting to come out. Who knows, man? Maybe that could have been some debris that was falling. But this is before the explosion, just when the smoke was going up. But I doubt it, though. But I'm going to start off by saying, giving all praises to Yahweh Bahashim, Yahweh Shai Bahashim Kakadash. Double honors to the apostles at Great Millstone. Peace, blessings, and honors to all the brothers in this truth. So the thing is, it's like things are coming out, man. And what I want to say before I play the video is, look, a fighter jet, man, could get so high and drop something, and with such, great pinpoint accuracy that you would never see the jet. You would never see it, I mean, it would be so high in the sky that you couldn't see it if you were standing right below it looking up. That's how high in the sky, especially on a cloudy day. And the thing is, it's like they got rockets that they can launch from a boat where they don't even need a jet. By the time you see the rocket in daytime, it already hit. So daytime is the perfect time to do it rather than doing it at nighttime. A missile, because if you do it at missile, it's going to look like a shooting star. You're going to see it. But, if you do it at night, but if you do it in daytime, you would never see it, man. So more things are coming out on this explosion, as we knew. Could this have been an inside job? Could it have been a false flag? Could it have been the enemy attacking them? And we don't know yet. What's that? And then it explodes. You hear the aircraft song? I'm gonna go back. You hear it? You hear it? And I'm not saying that there wasn't fireworks that went off, man. Fireworks probably did go off. That's the cover up. They set those off too so they could be at a point to it. But that's why I said this could be an inside job, man. But a bomb could have also went off with those fireworks, man. And it's just a cover up. So, I'm going to leave it there, you just can't trust your enemy. And in this case, the enemy of those people there that had this happen to them could easily be their own government, their own leadership. All the other nations is enemies to the Israelites, because they all had a hand in our destruction. This is Ecclesiasticus chapter, hold on, let me go back. Chapter 12, verse 10. Never trust thy enemy, for like as iron rusteth, so is his wickedness. So they tell you, man, some fireworks caused this, man. No, you can't trust them. This ain't no telling. Probably a bomb. That look like a little bomb, man. I ain't gonna lie, it don't look like just some regular debris. Because where's the rest of the debris that's around it? And that's kind of shaped just like they little, missiles be. Or a warhead. Or some sort, Though he humble himself and go crouching, yet take good heed and be and beware of him. And thou shalt be unto him as thou hast wiped a looking glass. And thou shalt know that his rust has not been altogether wiped away. Set him not by thee, lest when he has overthrown thee, he stand up in thy place, man. Neither let him sit at thy right hand, lest he seek to take thy seat. And thou at the last remember my words and be pricked therewith. I mean, because your enemy's always gonna plot on you, you know? If the government wants this whole new world order stuff, man, they're gonna plot on the people. You know, they're gonna plot. And they're gonna do false flag attacks and stuff like that, you know? Only reason why I say this could be a false flag and their enemies didn't just strike them is because they did set the fireworks off some type of way, you know? Or maybe they had traitors. They, you know, they had undercover, their enemies probably had undercover people there that set those fireworks off. And then they dropped the, man, it could be so many possibilities, but either way, I ain't trusting none of them, man. I ain't trusting none of them for what they said it was, you know. And there's people on the internet that argue to death. No, it was just fireworks. Man, they don't know. Because everything isn't what it seems, man. Everything isn't always what it seems to the eye. You got to do a little bit more digging, a little bit more research. My question is, what is that? You know? So more information going to come out about this, you know. I'm just updating the people. Salvation to the elect, man. Shalom.